in his homily this morning to fly and soar like an eagle. Welcome, one and all, the College of St. John College of Nursing's 2009 clinical graduation.
Thank you, Ms. Davao. And now, Mr. Guillermo P. Padip, the Level 4 Coordinator, will introduce to us our honored guests.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am indeed very much honored to introduce to you a person who has been recognized in the field of nursing education and nursing service. I say this not only because he was once a classmate of mine and later a mentor, but because of their professional achievements, as evidenced by the award of the Excellence in Nursing Practice for Visayas, given to her by the prestigious Association of Nursing Service Administrators of the Philippines and by B. Brown last March 2005. The list of trainings and seminars attended by her is so much that I can't mention them all. We might as well present ourselves and rest assured with the thought that our invited guest speaker in today's occasion is a competent, knowledgeable, skillful, and a very distinguished professional in the field of nursing. And for this, we at the College of St. John Rojas are most honored and grateful for our presence today. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest speaker, Dr. Lilia Arrostiki Benita.
Today, specifically this afternoon, I feel privileged to be speaking and to be listened to by a group of young nurses whose minds looked to a bright future. I would like to think also that today is the best time to challenge you, young nurses to be, when your hearts and minds are warm with pleasure of having hurdled another step towards becoming a professional nurse. I know that when the heart is warm, it is receptive to the call of passion for idealism. If you think that the campus resources are inadequate, outsource them. This, I mean, you must have reviewers whose track records are credible. The accreditation of this college is dependent on how the graduates will fare in the board. I'm sure you will have a supportive administration, Ma'am Chancellor. Having a dean, Centralian dean. By the way, Ms. Cora has a double master's and a PhD. It's a plus factor for this college, having Dr. Cora Dayaw Diaz. Utilize her to strengthen your college. Class 2009, congratulations for making it this far. Today marks the first day of your journey into a territory where your nursing predecessors have tried and have gone on to achieve great things for humanity, for our country, for your families, and above all to God, the author of everything. In conclusion, I'd like you to remember this. Young friends, fill your minds with those things that are good and that deserve praise. Things that are true, noble, right, pure, lovely, and honorable. And the God who gives us peace will be with you. Lastly, may I please request the parents, guardians, and benefactors of these young ones, 85 in all, to please rise. parents, guardians. I was told no clapping. So, ladies and gentlemen, there they are, the parents and guardians who made possible so that these young nurses to be may have a better future. Let's acknowledge their sacrifices. Thank you very much. Mayang hapon.
The plaque reads, College of St. John Rojas, De La Salle Supervised, Governor Atila Bagos Avenue, Banicaroa City, Philippines. Gives this certificate of appreciation to Dr. Lilia A. Delicanon in recognition of her valuable time and commitment being the guest speaker of the third clinical graduation and pinning ceremony of the College of St. John Rojas, College of Nursing, given this 20th day of March 2009. Signed, Ms. Betty D. Miranda, Clinical Coordinator. Signed, Dr. Cora D. Diaz, Dean, College of Nursing. Signed, Dr. Emma A. Encarnacion, Chancellor, College of St. John Rojas.
Now for the presentation of BSN Batch 2009, we have Dr. Cora D. Diaz, D. College of Nursing, College of St. John Rojas, to be confirmed by Dr. Emma A. Encarnacion, Chancellor, College of St. John Rojas.
Dr. Emma A. Encarnacion, Chancellor, College of St. John Rojas. Madam, I have the honor to present to you the 85 candidates for clinical graduation batch 2008-2009. 33 of whom are males, and 52 of whom are females. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements for the degree Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
By the authority vested upon me by the Commission on Higher Education and the Board of Trustees of the College of St. John Rojas, De La Salle Supervised, as Chancellor, I hereby confer 85 candidates for clinical graduation of the Bachelor of Science in Nursing program. Congratulations.
Now to don the pins for BSN Batch 2009, we have the following honored guests and heads of nursing service in affiliating hospitals. Ms. Ruby Fulion, former Dean, College of Nursing, College of St. John Rojas. Dr. Alan Ricafuente, former Dean, College of Nursing, College of St. John Rojas. To Los Chief Nurse, Bailan District Hospital. Ms. Grace Ulcison, Training and Affiliation Coordinator, Rojas Memorial Provincial Hospital. Ms. Maria Ruben Siluso, Training and Affiliation Coordinator, Bailan District Hospital. Mr. Carl Tulos, Level 3 Coordinator, College of St. John Rojas. Ms. Betty Miranda, Clinical Coordinator, College of Nursing, College of St. John Rojas. And Ms. Dean Cora Diaz, College of Nursing, College of St. John Rojas.
Abadilia Andre A. Kusai Junior Rico D. Akad Carla Jean A. Agus Cantinis L. Agiling Keisha Janrose A. Alcazaran Mark Johnson F. Alcazaran Madeline A. Alihaga Eileen M. Anoche Mary Joy B.
Aravejo Carl B. Arches Cristina Francesca F. Arubang Crestally M. Artatis Madonna Ray A. Bahador Jonah B. Bahador Jonard B. Baldissimo Delaney L. Barogo Michelle B. Bartosilio Michael A. Basa Catherine Antoinette A. Bauletti Ginalyn M. Bayot Jesmarie Esther B.
Belarmino Gals D. Bilyeza Rick M. Beluso Mary Eleanor G. Bensurto Philip Edward P. Bercades Romel P. Bernas Herman Rafael P. Besa Roan H. Biyaban Mary Charmaine M. Big Big Paul Christian O. Bolido Lawrence A.
Bolivar Mark Nino D. Bulaklak Erna B. J. Calvento Christine Ray O. Camacho Christine Joy G. Carletti Anna May P. Castillo Jolie V. B. Castillo Meridel B. Celestial Elmer John F. Chief Phoebe Grace C. Lavaton Raisa T.
Kusai Junior Rico B. Dayalo Jenalisa.
Ebuenga Tracy May B. Ilaria Mary Sweet A. Elijah Leah Fred R. Esteban Christine O. Fabay Rhea May D. Freires Dennis D. Fuentes Cathy Sartoni M. Gabarin Mark Henry A. Kenner Salfa L. Goreseta Maria Socorro J.
Unsay Gracious Joy Dean B. Lidesma Gilmar T. Loyola Alvin C. Marcelino Raylene L. Medina Kenny Ivan A. Mendoza Josephine P. Natividad Genesis H. Olmo Norbert B. Palonpon Joey R. Kitulio Alessandra Kashmir D.
Robles Marilyn F. Saban Salvador Ronald Vance B. Santa Ana Wilson G. Santa Cruz Paul Anthony N. T. Kurt Louis L. Torres Denise Diane M.
Villaluna Maria Sheena C. Villanueva Kim D. Vista Russian Pearl L. White Sarah H. And Zaragoza Neil Jun S. At this juncture, may we proceed with the distribution of awards in due recognition to those who have excelled in clinical, leadership, and co-curricular activities which have given honor and distinction to the college. To present the awardees, may we call on Ms. Betty Miranda, Clinical Coordinator, College of St. John Rojas.
This is the moment of those who will receive the award and of those whose destiny to receive the award this afternoon is not a matter of chance, but it is a matter of choice. And it is also receiving the award that they will receive is not a matter that they have waited for, but it is a thing that they have achieved. For the first award this afternoon, we have the award to be given to those students who are most need in the clinical area. The award goes to Mr. Andre Abadilla.